Hello friends, welcome to my vlog Leadership Redefined with AJ. Today I am talking about principle of synergy. We have all heard the story of a dying father and his 4 sons who used to quarrel all the time. The worried father decided to teach his sons a lesson using logs of wood. Upon their father's request, each of his sons was able to break a single piece of log with great ease. But none of them were able to break the logs when tied together. This simple story speaks volume on the principle of synergy or creative cooperation, of how unity is the biggest strength. It means that the whole is always greater than the sum of its part. Synergy comes from trust and cooperation. Only high trust and high cooperation will lead to a favorable outcome of win-win. Trust is a factor of both character and competence, and not just character alone, as is mostly believed to be. Just because someone is honest, has the intent to do the right things, does not make him trustworthy. He also needs to have the right credentials and the skills. Let me explain this with the analogy of a tree. Your integrity is like the roots of the tree, most important but invisible to others. Your intent is like the trunk of the tree. It is visible to others. And your capabilities are like the branches of the tree. And the fruits is equivalent to the results. A person who is honest has the right intent along with the right skills, but hasn't been able to produce the result is like a tree with deep root, solid trunk and large branches, but not able to bear the fruit. Will you trust a person like that? Synergy in communication is achieved through high trust and high cooperation. Medium trust with medium cooperation will lead to a situation of compromise, whereas low trust with low cooperation will lead to a situation of hostility. Next time you feel there is no synergy around you, start working on your roots, that is your integrity. Then on the trunk, that is your intent, followed by the branches, which is your capabilities. And you will see everything will fall in order. Stay tuned for part 7 of the 7-part video series. See you until the next time.